Now I want to discuss with you the chapter probability. In fact, probability is the concept originated from experimentation, because if we go for experimentation, then there are two types of experiments. One, the experiments where the deterministic, that means their outcome is already known. Let us suppose you are mixing HCl and HNO3 at some given temperature, pressure and given ratio. Then the experiment you are doing in your lab, its outcome is already known you. Any experiment you are doing in your lab, maximum all experiments outcome are already known. An experiment is performed by any engineer in labs, in industries, in R&D sections. So when outcome is already known, that is known as deterministic experiment. This is not taken for the probability. For probability, we take what experiments? Random experiment. So this random experiment is what? Actually, random experiment is that experiment where outcome may or may not repeat. For example, you toss a coin. Very simple example. You have a coin, one of the face is head, another face is tail. So it may possible you remain to toss a coin lakhs or crore of times, maybe all the times head, maybe all the times tail, maybe sometime tail, sometime head. So random experiments gives the theory of probability. How? Suppose you know when you will toss a coin, what are the two possible outcomes? Outcome number one, it may be a head. Outcome number two, it may be tail. But both cannot happen together. So my question is that the head and tail, there are two outcomes, and out of these two outcomes only one is possible and one is definitely possible. So saying that what are the chances of getting head? There are two total possibilities. These total outcomes are known as sample space. So getting head. So getting head in tossing of a coin is 1 by 2, because out of two possibilities head occurs once. Similarly, I can tell you getting a tail, this is also 1 by 2. The probability is totally based on the random experiment. As you know, when we perform any such experiment where outcome may or may not be repeated, such experiments are said to be random experiment. In these random experiments, as many outcomes are possible, group of all possible ways is known as sample space. So if I take a question, what are the sample space for a coin tossed 2 times? I am going to tell you, it may possible then in first toss coin may be head or coin may give you tail. This is the first toss, either head or tail. Now in the second, if it is head and again tossed, may be head or it may give you tail. But in case of tail, again the possibility, it may give you head or it may give you tail. So what are the head and head? First toss head, second toss is also head. Head and tail, tail and head, tail and tail. There are 4 possible ways of tossing a coin 2 times or tossing a pair of coins once, having same meaning. Either you toss single coin 2 times then 4 possible ways are possible. That is, first is head, second is head. First is head, second is tail. First is tail, second is head. First is tail, second is tail. So this is known as the sample space for what? Tossing a coin 2 times or tossing 2 coins single time. Similarly, you can toss 3 coins. You can toss what? You can throw a dice. You can pick the cards. You can pick the tickets from a box. So that's why such kind of experiments are taken in the chapter probability. Now I will tell you what are odds in favor, odds in against, and some related terms of the probability. What are the sample space if a pair of dice is rolled? Suppose I have 2 dice. You know, a die may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for first die. Die second is also having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are the sample space? It is simple of writing the sample space. It may possible that first die has 1 and second is also having 1. First dice have 1, second 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. So if I roll a pair of dice, then first die may have 1, second may also have 1. First is showing 1, second is showing 2. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, it is possible 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 6. So there are 36 ways. That's why we say when a pair of dice is rolled, there are 36 possibilities that with first die what and second die what. So these are the sample space while we are rolling a pair of dice.